Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by Chemistry Notes Info. Dear friend, I am your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. In today's podcast, we are going to learn about some important terminologies in science and chemistry. Friends, these terminologies are very important and you come across during learning science and chemistry with these terminologies. So listen carefully. First terminology is aerosol, a dispersion of tiny liquids or solid particles in air is known as aerosols. Another one is alloy, a metal that is a blend or mixture of more than one metallic elements, sometimes includes non-metals also. Alveoli, microscopic air sacs in the lungs where exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place between air and blood are known as alveoli. Small nitrogen containing compounds found in all living things. Proteins molecules are long chain of up to 20 different types of amino acid arranged in a unique order for each proteins. These are called amino acids. So, amino acids are small nitrogen containing compounds found in all living things. Atoms, the smallest unit of any chemical element, made up of a centralized heavy nucleus with electron orbiting around it, or called atoms. Atomic bomb, a bomb whose energy comes mainly from the fission of U-235, a uranium isotope, or Pu-239, a plutonium isotope. Atomic mass, sometimes also known as relative atomic mass or atomic weight. The average mass of the atom of an element expressed relative to the isotope carbon-12 is known as atomic mass. Atomic masses are not usually whole numbers because most elements consist of a mixture of isotopes of different masses. Atomic number, the number of protons in an atomic nucleus. Each chemical element has the same number of protons in all its atoms, which is different number from any other element. In a neutral atom, the number of electrons orbiting in an atom's nucleus, which determines an element's chemical property, is the same as the number of protons. Heteroisomers, a stereoisomer involving restricted rotation of single bond, which is most other molecules are free to rotate, are called astroisomers. Base, a chemical opposite of an acid, is known as base. A soluble base is called an alkali. Acid and bases react together to form salts. In biology, a nitrogen containing carbon compound, of which there are four types in DNA and four in RNA. The order of different bases among DNA and RNA molecules spells out the genetic instruction that they code for. So, in biology, these four uh, types of compounds are called base, while in chemistry, the opposite of an acid is called base. When base is present in soluble form, and then it is called alkali. Biochemical pathway, an organized sequence of chemical reactions in living things. Biochemical pathways are controlled by enzymes. Blast furnace. The main type of furnace for smelting iron ore, coke, or other materials are introduced at the top of its tall structure, and molten iron is tapped off at the bottom. Air is blasted in through nozzle to keep the smelting process going on. Blast furnaces are used for production of liquid state or molten state iron, which is further used in production of many materials like wires for transport of electricity or many iron parts which are used in other vehicles or other things to made. Blast furnace. The main type of furnace for smelting iron ore, coke, or other materials are introduced at the top of its tall structure, and molten iron is tapped off at the bottom. Bloomery furnace, a small scale furnace for smelting iron in use since ancient times, in which the iron does not become liquid. Bond chemical, a link between two atoms, binding them together to form a molecule or compound. Strong bonds are formed either by atoms sharing electrons, covalent bonding, or by transferring electrons and being held together by electrical attraction, ionic or electrovalent bonding, or by bonds intermediate between these types. There are weaker bonds that do not belong to the above categories, like hydrogen bonds. Borosilicate glass. Glass that includes boron trioxide among its ingredients. It expands very little on heating, making it useful in applications such as kitchenware and in labs for experiment purpose. Calotype, the earliest photographic process to use negative image from which many positive images could be obtained. Calyx, crumbly or powdered residue left when a mineral or metal has been roasted or burned. Camera obscura, a device that uses a lens to protect an image of a view onto a surface inside a darkened box. It was used by artists and in an ancestor of the photographic camera. Cantilever, a rigid protecting structure attached only at one board end. Cast iron, a hard brittle form of iron formed by remelting metal produced by a blast furnace. It has a high carbon content. Catalyst, a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being permanently altered or decomposed by the end of the reaction. Cathode ray, a stream of electrons emerging from a negative electrode. Cathode ray tube, a sealed high vacuum device in which a beam of electron is directed onto a screen as in a traditional television receiver. CFCs, short form for chlorofluorocarbons, artificially produced halocarbons formerly used industrially. They were later found to damage the ozone layer. Chirality. Chirality is the term used in relation to molecules that exist in two mirror image forms in a similar way to right and left-handed gloves. This is also known as handedness. Collimator, a device for producing a parallel beam of radiation. Compound, a substance made up of atoms of more than one element bonded together in a definite ratio. For covalent compounds, the smallest part of the compound is a single molecule. Conservation of mass. The principle that the total mass of substance neither increase nor decrease in a chemical reaction. Contact insecticide, a substance that is toxic to insect upon contact. Contact process, the main modern industrial process for making sulfuric acid, is known as contact process. Corona solar, the thin outer atmosphere of the sun extending for millions of kilometers is known as corona solar. Covalent bond. Covalent bond is a bond which is formed when by the sharing of electrons between two elements. Crucible, a container for melting metals or other substances at high temperature. Crystal, a solid consisting of a regular array of atoms or molecules arranged in a repeated 3D geometrical pattern. D-links, dark lines of particular wavelength in a spectrum of the sun that indicate the presence of sodium, which absorbs those wavelengths, are known as D-lines. Density functional theory, a method of calculating the distribution of electrons in molecules or solids. Deoxyribose, a type of sugar molecule that forms part of the structure of DNA, is known as deoxyribose. Diatomic, of a molecule made up of two atoms, is known as diatomic. Diorama, a mobile device for showing giant scene. DNA, short form for deoxyribonucleic acid, a long stranded molecule made up of small individual units. The gene of living things are recorded in the DNA of their cells. The order of the different bases in the DNA, the gene of some viruses occurs as RNA, not DNA. Dry cell battery, a battery in which the electrolyte is a paste, not a free liquid. Dry distillation, heating a solid to collect gases without completely vaporizing or burning the solid. Dynamic equilibrium, the state of affairs in a chemical reaction when reactants are changing into products and products into reactants at the same rate, resulting in no net change. Electrochemistry, the branch of chemistry that studied the relationship between chemistry and electricity. For example, how compounds are decomposed into elements using electrolysis. Electrode, a conductor that gives out or takes in electron as part of an electric circuit. Electrolysis, the breaking down of chemical substances using electricity. Electrolyte, a liquid or paste that can conduct electricity as a result of the movement of positive and negative ions within it. Electromagnetic radiation, radiation that transmits energy as wave of fluctuating electric or magnetic fields traveling at the speed of light. Electromagnetic spectrum, the complete range of electromagnetic radiations from radio waves, the lowest frequency and longest wavelength, through microwave, infrared radiation, visible light, and ultraviolet radiation, to X rays and gamma rays, which have the highest frequency and energy. Electromagnetism, magnetic forces produced by electricity, more generally, any phenomena involving the connection between electricity and magnetism. Electron, a tiny negative charge particle. In an atom, electrons orbit around the much heavier central nucleus, balancing out the positive charge of the atom's proton. Electrons can flow freely through metal and can also occur as beam of the radiation. Electron orbiter, the path of an electron follows when orbiting around the nucleus of an atom. Orbitals are not exact route but represent the probability of finding the electrons at any particular point. Orbitals can be different shape and are fundamental to forming chemical bonds. Electronegativity, the tendency of an atom of a particular element to attract electrons when it is covalently bonded with the atoms of another element. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Element chemical, a substance made up of atoms all with the same atomic number. Emission lines, bright lines at particular position in a spectrum that indicate the presence of chemical element whose atoms emits light at those particular frequencies when heated. Enzymes, any of several thousand types of large molecules in living things, each of which catalyzes, promotes a particular type of chemical reaction. Nearly all enzymes are proteins. Ester, an organic compound formed by the reaction of an acid with an alcohol. Flame spectra, spectra observed when substances are heated up in a flame. Different elements emit light of characteristic frequencies and can be identified via their spectra. Fungicide, a substance used to kill fungi or fungus. Greenhouse effect, the tendency of some gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, to trap heat energy radiating from Earth and make the atmosphere warmer. Haber's law, a law used to calculate the effect of exposure of two toxins. Half-life, the time by which half of a sample of a particular radioactive substance will have decayed into other substances. In medical science, the term is used in other contexts, such as the length of time a drug stays in the body is known as half-life for that drug. Halocarbon, organic chemical similar to hydrocarbon, where some or all of the hydrogen atoms have been replaced by halogen atoms. Halogen, any of the group of similar elements that includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Halogens literally means salt former. Heavy metals, a term used for any metallic element other than those with light atomic masses. For example, copper and lead are heavy metals, but aluminium and magnesium are not. Hybrid orbital, a type of electron orbital found in bonds between atoms where the orbitals of individual atoms overlap and combine. Hybridization. In the context of chemical bonding, the forming of hybrid orbitals. Hydrocarbon, a organic compound consisting only of carbon and hydrogen atoms such as methane or octane. Hydrogen bond, a type of attraction weaker than a covalent bond between a hydrogen atom and certain other atoms such as oxygen and nitrogen. Hydrogen bonds helps stabilize the shape of many biological molecules such as protein and nucleic acids. Ice core, a long cylindrical column of ice obtained from a glacier or ice cap by drilling. Ice cores provide evidence of changing climatic conditions or pollution level over millennia. Incandescence, light given off when a substance is heated sufficiently. Inert means unreactive. So inert gases are unreactive gases. Infrared radiation, electromagnetic radiation having wavelength longer than visible light, experienced as heat radiation in everyday life. Ion, an atom that has gained or lost one or more electrons and so has an overall negative or positive charge. The process of this happening is called ionization. Ionizing radiation, any form of radiation that causes atoms to ionize. Such radiation is often dangerous to human body. Isomer, a molecule that contains the same number and type of atoms as another molecule but in a different arrangement. Isomerism, where a substance occurs as more than one isomer. Isotope, an atom of a given element that contains a particular number of neutrons. Many elements have several different isotopes, which normally have the same chemistry but may differ in physical characteristics. Example, some are radioactive. Calliaparatus. Calliaparate, a 19th century glass apparatus for measuring the carbon content of different substances. Killing curve, a graph showing the increase of world atmospheric carbon dioxide level since 1958, recorded at Mauna Loa Observatory, Hawaii, in a program begun by geochemist Charles Keeling. Latent image, a photographic image whose details exist in a form of chemical differences on the photographic surfaces, but which are not visible to the eye without further processing. Law of definite proportions, the chemical law that pure substances form compounds with each other only in fixed ratios, measures by weight. lead chamber process, an older method for making sulfuric acid, now largely replaced by contact process. Leaden jar, a apparatus invented in the 18th century for storing static electricity. It can give an electric shock when discharged. Mass, the amount of matter in a particular particle or substance, is known as mass. Meniscus, the curved upper surface of a liquid in a tube. Mitochondria, organelle in living cell that makes energy available to the cells. Molecule, a combination of two or more atoms joined together by chemical bonds. The atoms may be of the same element, which contains two hydrogen, or of different atoms. Negative image, a photographic image where the light areas of the original scene are visible as dark areas and dark areas are visible as light areas. Neonicotinoids, the modern synthetic insecticide, chemically similar to nicotine, less toxic to mammals and birds than many insecticides, but it can be very harmful to bees and other beneficial insecticides. So, these type of insecticides are known as neonicotinoids. Neutron, a particle with no electric charge found in the nuclei of all the atoms except of main isotope of hydrogen, whose nucleus is a single proton. A neutron has almost the same mass as a proton. Free neutrons are released by nuclear fission. Nuclear fission, the splitting of certain kinds of atomic nuclei into two or more smaller nuclei of other elements. This can occur if the nuclei are hit by neutrons, as happens in nuclear reactors or atomic bomb. Nucleic acid, either of the two long stranded molecule in living things, DNA and RNA. Nucleic acid consists of long chain of individual units called nucleotides. In turn, each nucleotide contains a sugar molecule, ribose or deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and a base. Orbital. Orbitals are the electron orbitals in which electron moves around the nucleus, whereas the probability of finding electron is maximum. Ore, a commercially important mineral which is also the source of a metal. Organelle, a small structure usually surrounded by a membrane that carries out particular functions within a cell. Example includes mitochondria and cell nuclei. Organic chemical, a compound of carbon. Carbon can form chains and rings with itself at the same time as bonding with other elements. So huge number of different organic chemicals exist, including major biological molecules such as carbohydrates and proteins. Osmosis, movement of water or another solvent from a more dilute to a more concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane. Oxidation, oxidize. A substance is a oxidized when oxygen is combined with it, or more generally, when electrons are removed from it during a chemical reaction. Oxide, a compound of oxygen with one other element, are known as oxide. Ozone layer, the layer containing gaseous ozone, a three-atom form of oxygen, high in the atmosphere that protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations. Pathogen, a bacterium or other microscopic living things that cause diseases are called pathogen. Peptidoglycan, a large molecule that forms part of the cell wall in bacteria. Petridis, a shallow, flat-bottomed circular dish with a lid, usually transparent and made up of glass or plastic. Phlogiston. In 18th century chemical theory, a supposed substance that was given off when all substances burned. The theory of phlogiston was later discredited. Phosphorescence, the light given off by a substance other than from heating, especially when it persists for a time. Plum pudding model, an outdated model. I repeat, an outdated model of the structure of an atom, in which negatively charged electrons were imagined as embedded in a positively charged matrix, like plums in a plum pudding. Polymer, a long molecule made of smaller repeating units joined together. Proton, a positively charged particle found in a nucleus of all atoms. Each chemical element has a different number of protons in its atoms. Radiation, beam of subatomic particles such as electron or neutrons, and some as electromagnetic radiation. Radioactivity, phenomena where some type of atomic nuclei give off radiation while transforming into other kinds of nuclei. Reactant, a substance that takes part in a chemical reaction and decomposes or changes in the process. Reagent, a substance that causes a chemical reaction, especially that is used to detect another substance presence. Reducing agent, a substance that causes another substance to be reduced. Reduction, reduce. In a chemical reaction, a substance is reduced when oxygen is removed from it, or generally whose electrons when electrons are added to it. For example, iron oxide is reduced to iron during smelting. Resonance. In chemistry, a term used to indicate a pattern of bonding intermediate between two more easily described states. Reversible reaction, a chemical reaction that can take place in both directions, is known as reversible reaction. RNA, short for ribonucleic acid, a long stranded molecule similar to DNA. Genetic instructions need to be copied from DNA into RNA in cells to have effect. RNA molecule also plays other roles in cells. Salt, any substance formed by the reaction of an acid with a base. Silver salts, compounds of silver, in particular salt such as silver bromide, that are used in photography. Smelting, extracting a metal from its ore using heat and a reducing agent. Soda lime glass, the most common type of glass, whose ingredients include sodium carbonate soda and calcium oxide lime, as well as silicon dioxide silica. Spectrum, the pattern produced when different wavelengths of light or other electromagnetic radiations are spread out using a prism or other device. The term can also denote a range of wavelengths or, for example, the infrared spectrum. Static electricity, phenomena where positive and negative electric charges become separated via friction between different materials or naturally in a thundercloud. The energy built up may discharge suddenly, as in a lightning flash. Stereoisomerism, a type of isomerism where two or more isomers contains the same chemical subgroups but the group are arranged differently in space. Mirror image isomers are an example. Tetraethyl lead, a lead compound formed formerly added to the petrol to improve its performance, but now banned worldwide because the lead pollution it creates. Tetrahedron, a 3D geometrical shape with four triangular faces and four vertical vertices corners. In a carbon atom bonded to four other atoms, the carbon bonds are normally arranged in a tetrahedral shape, that it's extending from the atom to the corners of an imaginary tetrahedron. Thalidomide, a drug that was formerly used to treat morning sickness in pregnant women, but that turned out to cause major birth defects in their offsprings. Therefore, this drug, thalidomide, is banned now. Thermodynamics, the theory and study of the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. These principles are vital to an understanding of chemical reactions. Transmutation, the change of one chemical element or isotope into another, attempted unsuccessfully by alchemists but achieved today in nuclear reactors. Transuranic element, element with a higher atomic number than uranium in the periodic table. Ultraviolet radiation, electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength shorter than visible light but longer than X-rays. Valency, the combining power of an atom, that is, the number of different bonds it can form with other atoms or molecules. Voltaic pile, the earliest electric batteries invented by Alessandro Volta and first demonstrated publicly in 1800. Wave, a form of regular motion that transmits energy. The wavelength of a water or light wave is the distance between the crests of successive waves. Wrought iron, a low carbon form of iron created by hammering or rolling more impure iron. It is much less brittle than cast iron, but has largely been replaced by steel. X-ray diffraction, the technique of investigating the structure of crystals by beaming X-rays at them, and studying the way the rays are affected by being passed through the crystals. Thank you to listening. Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by Chemistry Notes Info. See you soon in another important podcast. You can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com or our blog www.chemistrynotesinfo.blogspot.com to learn more about science and chemistry, health and safety, and other important topics. Dear friends, you can visit our website whose link is given in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast.